Hello students, this is the third part of application of trigonometry. Today also I am going to explain some problems based on heights and distances. So our first problem, this is actually second problem from the exercise. A 1.5 meter tall boy is looking at the top of a temple which is 30 meter in height from a point at a certain distance. Okay, first of all I will draw a rough diagram. This is the temple, this is the road, this is the person. Okay, person height is already given here. That is 1.5. Temple height is given 30 meters. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown is top position. Crown of the temple increases 30 to 60 degree as he walks towards the temple. So first initially this is the eye of the observer, this is the vision ray, this is the horizontal ray, this angle is given as 30 degree. So after he walks to certain distance, for example d distance, automatically the person eye is here now. So this is the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation changes to 30 to 60 degree. Okay, find the distance walk towards the temple. No, you need to find this distance. This is the problem. Okay. Now again I want to draw the diagram for that. Yes students, this is the ground. This is the temple. Initially person is here. After that position of the person is here. Okay. So let distance traveled with the person be d. Actually we need to draw horizontal line here. Okay, this is the vision ray when the person is at this point. This another vision ray. Okay, so this is given as 30 degree. This is given 60 degree. That person's height is 1.8, means this is also 1.8, this is also 1.8. Total 30. Okay. Let this distance is x. So now I want to give name for this. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, first of all, height of the person. Height of observer or person. Height of boy. Okay. That is equal to DE. That is equal to FC. That is equal to GB. That is equal to 1.8. Height of the temple. That is AB equal to 30. So that is automatically AG how much nana? AG 30 minus 1.8, 28.2 meters. Okay. Let distance traveled by be d meters. We need to find the d meters. Next let CB equal to FG equal to x. If this is x, they also x only, no? That is a rectangle. Okay. Now using these two right triangles, I want to solve the problem. First of all, I want to take the right triangle AGF from AGF. Triangle AGF, tan 60 degree, opposite sides AG by FG, that is root 3 equal to 28.2 by x. or x equal to 28.2 by root 3, leave it, take as one result. Now take triangle AGE, triangle AGE, from triangle I can write, from triangle AGE, tan 30 equal to AG by EG. This is 1 by root 3 equal to 28.2 by d plus x, or d plus x equal to 28.2 into root 3. Already you have x value, that is 28.2 by root 3. Okay, 28.2 by root 3 equal to 28.2 into root 3. I want d equal to 28.2 root 3 minus 28.2 into 1 by root 3. So here I can take 28.2 common, 3 minus 1 by root 3, that is equal to 28.2 into 2 by root 3, that is equal to 2 to the 4, 56.4 into root 3 by root 3. Okay, I can with 3 by 3. I cancel 3 ones are 3, 2 remainder, 3 8s are 24, 2 remainder 0.8. So what I can say, 18.8 root 3 meters is the distance traveled by that boy. Okay students, next problem, third problem. A statue stands on the top of a 2 meter tall pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the statue. Okay students, I think everyone knows what is meant by pedestal. This is that. On this only the statues. This is a statue. So given that this length is equal to 2 meters, this is statue on level ground. A person is observing the top of the pedestal and the top of the statue. So what is given? The angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. So now we want to find height of the statue. This height should find. So this is the problem. So again I want to draw the diagram for that. Yeah students, this is total. So I want to separate it. So this is statue, AB statue. This is pedestal. Yeah, this is the position of the observer. Here observer. Okay. First of all, you observe the top of the statue. After that, top of the pedestal. So what is given? I will write now. This total angle is 60 degree. Sorry, first 60. Okay. After that, this is 45 degree. Yeah, we want to find this height. Already this is 2 meters tall. So this is not a difficult problem and an easy problem only. This let it be x. Okay. This is information. So actually we need to write steps and letter height. Height of statue. B h meters. Height of pedestal equal to 2 meters. So here only I want write na. Also given B A B C D. Okay, BDC equal to 45 degree, angle ADC 60 degree. Just a simple problem. Okay, from triangle BDC I will take BDC. From triangle BDC, okay, tan 45 equal to 2 by x. Tan 45 equal to 2 by x, or x equal to 2. Yeah, next from bigger triangle, from triangle ADC, I can say ADC or ACD is better. ACD is better, no? Right angle in middle. There also should correct it now. ACD, tan 60 equal to AC by DC. Tan 60 AC by DC. So that is root 3 equal to AC. AC means what? X plus H plus 2 by DC means X. Yeah, root 3x equal to H plus 2. Just now we got this is 2, no? 2 root 3 equal to H plus 2. Since x is equal to 2, so H equal to 2 times of root 3 minus 1. H equal to 2 times of root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the height of the statue. Sometimes you can simplify. 1.732 minus 1 is 0.732. H equal to 0.732 into 2. H equal to 4, 6, 1 point, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, okay, 7 to the 14, okay, 1.464 meters. This is the height of the statue. You need to write at last conclusion. Okay students, next fourth problem. From the top of a building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cell tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression at its foot is 45 degree. If the distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters, then find the height of the tower. So first of all, see student, this is the ground, this is cell tower, so this is the building. Person is here now. The angle from the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of cell tower is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. The vision ray horizontal should draw. This is 60 degree. Okay, and the angle of depression to its foot is 45 degree. Here only, this is vision ray, horizontal ray. This is given as 45 degree. So this is the diagram. The distance of the building from the tower is 7 meters. This 7 meters. So then find the height of the tower. This total height should find. This is the rough sketch. So now I want to complete it. Yeah, this is a cell tower. Okay, so this is the building. This is vision ray, the horizontal ray. Yeah, for angle of depression, this is the vision ray. So I want to write what is given. This is 60 degree. This is 45 degree. Yeah, what is given? This is 7 meters. Height of the building is not mentioned, I think. Not given. Let height of the building be y. So this is taken as h. Okay, now I want to give the name A, B, C, D, E. For every problem, you should write steps. Let height of tower be h meters. First step. Next, let height of building be y meters. Okay, next what is given? Actually we need a distance between building and tower DC equal to 7 meters. You write none. Distance between building and tower is 7 meters. Also given okay, angle AEB equal to 60 degree, angle BEC equal to 45 degree. So ED is y, means this is also y only because rectangle. So AB becomes h minus y. Okay, I will take first this right triangle. So what, which one? EBC. From triangle EBC, tan 45 degree equal to its opposite side, that is BC by EB. So BC nothing but y, and EB and DC are same. DC I can write. So y by DC I can write. That is equal to y by 7 I can say. So y equal to 7 because tan 45 is 1 only. But you got height of the building. You got height of the building 7 meters, but you don't want that. The height of the tower you want. So I want to take the triangle now ABE. Next ABE triangle. From triangle AEB, tan 60 degree equal to AE by EB. AB by EB. Okay. AB by EB. Okay. AB means what, Nana? H minus y. H minus y. EB means 7. 7 only. I will show you. EB 7 only. Okay. This is root 3. 7 root 3 plus y equal to h. Therefore, h equal to 7 root 3 plus y means 7 I can say. H equals 7 times of root 3 plus 1 meters. Therefore, height of the tower equal to 7 times of root 3 plus 1 meter, or sometimes you can simplify. Yeah, 7 times of that is 2.732. 7 to the 14, 7 to 21, 22, 49, 50, 49, 51, 7 to the 14, 19, 19.124 meters. Okay, students. Next, fifth problem. A wire of length 18 meters had been tied with electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degree with the ground. Because it was converting a long distance, it was cut and tied at the angle of elevation of 60 degree with the ground. How much length of the wire was cut? Actually, for example, this is the ground, this is the pole, so this is the actual wire. So a wire of length 18, this is 18, had been tied with the electric pole at an angle of elevation of 60 degree with the ground. This is 30 degree with the ground. Because it was converting a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. So somewhere they cut it and they tied, and now it is making 60 with the ground. Now you want to find length of this wire, the length of this wire. Okay. For example, this x, for example, so total 18. No, this water, this is 18 minus. This is also 18 minus. 18 minus x is 60. A wire of length something. You can find out. That is not a big problem. Okay. First of all, again I want to draw a diagram. This is ground. This is electrical pole. Yeah, this is initial length of the wire. After that, this is the wire. what is given I will write. Initially this total length is 18. Okay, after that this I am taking x. How much wire is cut means we need to find 18 minus x. So initially what is this angle? Angle made by wire with the ground is 30 degree. After that it is making a 60 degree with the ground. So height, the h is the height of the pole. Yeah, I think nothing is given. 18 meters has been okay. Nothing is given. Let it be x and this is y. Okay, students. Yeah. Listen, I want to write steps now. First of all, this is A, B, C, D. Yeah. First step, given length of the wire. Okay, how much? 18 in bracket BAD. Okay, let x meters, 18 minus x meters, I can say 18 minus x meters wire cut from 18 meters. Okay, means this is becomes x. Okay, so this x, this total 18, no, 18 minus x only the required length. Okay. What next? Yeah, let height of the pole equal to h meters. Given angle ACB equal to 60 degree, angle ADB equal to 30 degree. Okay, students. Actually, what this is 18, this is x plus some wire. So 18 x plus some wire gives 18. So let it be extra. What is y? Y plus x is 18. What is y? 18 minus x only. I think understood. From triangle, which one? ABC. ABC. Observe, students. So x you want, h you don't want this y. I think you don't want this x. This is not x, no. This is something y z. I can say already x is used. So you don't want y. You don't want z. Just you want relation between x and h or x and y. So I want convert x and h. No, that's why sin 60 I want. Sin function I want use. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin 60. Yeah, sin 60 equal to h by x root 3 by 2 equal to h by x. What do you want? You want x, I know. H I want to make subject. Yeah, h equal to root 3 by 2 into x. Let it be equation number 1. Take next triangle. From triangle, yeah, ABD. Students, observe na. So here also hypotenuse 18, opposite side h, again sin 30 is equal to h by 18. Sin 30 equal to h by 18. Yeah, this is 1 by 2 equal to h by 18. And directly h equal 9. Take first equation now. So h equal 9. 9 equal to root 3 by 2 x. Okay. So that is equal to 9 into 2 by root 3 equal to x. You need to rationalize now. So 3 into 3 into 2 by root 3. Root 3 times 6 root 3. 6 root 3 equal to x. Okay, what is x? Yeah, x, you don't want x, no, 18 minus x you want. So 18 minus x, what, where should I write? Okay. How much wire, how much length of the wire is cut? Here I want to write. Equal to 18 minus x, that is equal to 18 minus x means, now I got 6 root 3. So you can take 6 common, 3 minus root 3 meters. Or sometimes you can convert into decimals, that is not a big problem. Yeah, student, now sixth problem. The angle of elevation of the top of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building 60 degree. If the tower is 30 meters high, find the height of the building. Observe, tower and building, two are there here. This is building, this is tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. This is the foot of the tower, top of building. This angle is given as 30 degree. Okay. Next, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building. This is given 60. If the tower is 30 meters high, this 30 meters high, then find the height of the building. H should find. They're not big problem, easy problem only. Okay, students. Yeah, no. This is the ground, this is the tower, and this is the building. What happened from foot of the building, and the angle of elevation, foot of the, and angle of elevation of foot of the building. So this is 60 degree. Yeah, foot of the tower to top of the building. Yeah, this is different. This is in 30 degree. Next, height of the tower is given as 30 meters height. When building height, let it be h. This is A, B, C, D. Simple problem. Let height of building be h meters. Given height of tower equal to 30 meters. Let it be x now, this one. Let BC equal to x, but in examination you should write distance between building and tower be x. Easy problem only. Nana. From triangle DCB tan 60 equal to 30 by x. Yeah, or x equal to 30 by root 3. Later I will simplify, leave it. From triangle ABC tan 30 equal to h by x. 1 by root 3 equal to h by x. You want h equal to x by root 3. So next page, h equal to x by root 3. Just now you got x as 30 by root 3. Just substitutions, 30 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. 310. So h equal 10 meters. Therefore, height of the building equal 10 meters. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from 9 meters. What is 9 meters? Find the height of the tower from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary, something. So this is the base, this is the tower. 2 points are there, that is not mentioned clearly. One is 4 meters from what? This is for example 9, another is 4. so that these two angles are complementary angle. This theta means 90 minus theta. I think the meaning is like this, man. This total is 9, this total is 4. Angle, these two angles are complementary angle. One is theta means another is 90 minus theta. Then we want to find the height of the tower. That's all. Yeah, this is tower, this is ground. Okay, here one point and here one point. Okay, students. Yeah, this is I think 9. I think this is 4 meters. Yeah, these two angles are complementary angles. This is theta means this is 90 minus theta. Okay. A, B, C, D, this is H. Let height of the tower be H meters. Okay. Given DB equal to 9 meters and BC equal to 4 meters and angle ADB plus angle ACD equal 90 degree. Okay. From triangle ABC, yeah, tan 90 minus theta equal to H by 4, that is cot theta equal to H by 4. H you want, no? H equal to 4 cot theta. Equation number 1. From triangle ABC, tan theta equal to H by 9. So H equal to 9 into tan theta, sorry, I got wrong here. 9 into tan theta. So H equal to 9, instead of this tan theta, what I can, 4 cot theta I can write. 4 cot theta means 4 by 4 cot theta. Oh, sorry. Cot theta means what you can write, Nana? Yeah, cot theta means H by 4. Tan means 4 by H. Okay, 4 by H I can write here. So H square equal to 36. H equal to 6. Therefore, height of the tower equal to 6 meters. I think this is the answer for the problem. And cross check, Nana. Try to read once again the question yourself. 9th problem. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. The jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters. Find the speed of the jet. Okay, Nana. This is the ground. Initially, jet is here. After some time, the jet is here. Jet is traveling in a straight line which is parallel to ground. Okay. So initially jet is here, and that time the angle of elevation from the point is 60 degree. After 15 seconds, the jet position is here. At that time, the angle of elevation from the same point is changed as 30 degree. Okay, we want to find what the speed of the jet. Also given that this height is given as 1500 root 3. This is 1500 root 3. This is also 1500 root 3. Okay. Just we need to find what is the distance traveled by the jet in 15 seconds. Let the speed of jet be x meter per second, because this is given in meters, no? That's why I don't want change, meter per second. So first of all, I want to draw the diagram for this. That this is ground. Okay, here jet nana. After that, this is the second portion of the jet. I can say J1 and J2. So what is given I want to write. So this angle equals 60 degree. After this becomes 30 degree. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. Join this. Okay, from draw perpendicular. So now label it A, B, C. This total is 60 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay. So J1B equal to J2C equal to 1500 root 3 meters. Angle J1 AB equal to 60 degree, comma angle J2 AC equal to 30 degree. Actually, students, you write steps nana. Let horizontal the vertical height of the jet plane equal 1500 meters, that is J1 B equal J2 C equal like that. But I want solve directly. Yeah, speed of the jet is x meters. No, first of all, I want to find what the distance traveled by the jet in 15 seconds. Okay, that is J1 J2. I will write it. I will write now. See, J1 J2 equal to distance traveled by jet in 15 seconds, that is equal to 15 into x only, because speed of the jet x meter per second. Okay, now I want to complete the problem. Yeah, from triangle J2CA tan 30 degree equal to J2C by AC. Yeah, this is not given, let it be y this one. Yeah, now only you got this 15x. Okay, leave it 15x, you write as it is. Let AB equal to what, y. I will write it next page. 1 by root 3 equal to 1500 root 3 by y plus 15x, or y plus 15x equal to 4500. Equation number 1. From next triangle I want to take, which one? J1BA. J1BA tan 60 degree equal to J1B by AB. I want cross check. J1B by AB. Okay. Root 3 equal to, this is 1500 root 3. AB means y. Root 3 get cancelled. Y equal to 1500. Now I want to take first equation. So 1500 plus 15x equal to 4500. Or 1500 equal to, that is 3000. Okay, 200. Therefore x equal to 200. Okay, 200 what? X 200 meter per second. What is x actually? Yeah, meter per second. Okay, this is meter per second. So this speed of the jet 200 meter per second. You can write conclusion at last. Our next problem, 10th problem, last problem of the exercise. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the 60 degree. What is the ratio of heights of tower and building? Okay, directly I want to draw the diagram. This is the base, this is the tower, and this is the building. Let building height is x and tower height is y. You want x is to y or y is to x according to the given information. First of all, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from foot of the building. This angle is given as, sorry, diagram is not correct. Yeah, this angle is given as, still it is not correct, okay, 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower, this. Yeah, this is again 60 degree. Then find the what is the ratio of heights of the buildings. Okay, let this is say some h, some d distance. Just to you want to eliminate d from two right triangles, A, B, C, D. Let height of building be x meters. Okay, tower be y meters. Distance between building and tower and building be d meters. Yeah, from triangle ABC tan 60 degree, x by d, root 3, no, this one, root 3, or x equal to root 3d. From triangle ABC completed, no, next DCB tan 30 equal to y by d, 1 by root 3 equal to y by d. We don't want d, I want to make d as subject. D equal to y root 3. Second, from 1 and 2, yeah, what I can say, root, x equal to root 3 into, instead of d, what I can write, y root 3 I can write. X by y equal to 3, or x is to y equal to 3 is to 1. What do you want? I want to read. What is the ratio of the tower and building? Tower first, next building. Y is to x. Therefore, the ratio of heights of tower and building equal to 1 is to 3.